Hello again and welcome to this second video. In the previous video we saw together how I designed the housing for my Esp32 camera, and in this video we will assemble it together, and of course in the next video we will program and test it. We have here the Esp32 camera module. It is a small module, it works with 5 volts and it has a dual core CPU and with a processor frequency up to 160 MHz. It has also a Wi-Fi microcontroller and it comes with a standard 2 megapixels camera. It has also an embedded antenna, which is suitable for short-range applications. There is also a micro SD card slot, which can be used to save recorded video directly on the board. I changed the camera since the standard one doesn't have night vision capability, and I have here a night vision 160 degrees camera. I didn't mention it earlier, but the ESP camera board doesn't contain a USB to ART interface, so you cannot connect this board directly to your PC with a USB cable, and you need an adapter board to program it. You can connect your USB cable to the computer, and you need to plug your ESP camera in this adapter board. The adapter board has also a voltage regulator, so I will use its output to power the infrared module, which will be used for night vision. It is an 850 nanometer infrared LED module with power up to 5 watt, and it can be supplied with the 5 volts output of the voltage regulator. It has also an embedded light sensor, which controls the intensity of the LED based on the ambient brightness. Well, the first part to be assembled is the LED module. It will be placed in the front cover here in the middle, just next to the camera, and emitting light in the same direction of the camera view. The camera module can then be placed here, and the camera will be in the middle top of the front cover. Okay, we have also this body holder. It will be attached to the front cover and will be attached first. A screw will attach it here and should be placed first before the LED module. I already placed a 3mm brass insert nut in the holder for the screw. And we can now place the infrared module and attach it to the body. The ESP module will be behind it directly. The camera can be placed and attached using its holder. Now we need to connect the LED to the power supply. As I said, we have these 5 volts and ground wires for this purpose, and be sure to connect 5 volts to the anode and the ground to the cathode. Great, now we have all components placed and connected. We just need now to gently place the wires inside the body and close it. Here's the back cover, and we need also to place the ESP module holder. It's all done. We can already power the module, program it and test it, but I forgot to place the brass insert nuts in the front holder to fasten the back cover to it. We can now assemble it again together and tighten the screws. Thanks for watching, and let's see in the next video how to program this module to work as a Wi-Fi camera